A couple of weeks ago, I received a comment asking for more examples about how to use the information in the Office 365 sensors in the Home Assistant dashboard. So I made my research and found nothing. To my surprise, there wasn't an Office 365 card yet, so I teach myself how to create custom cards and I create my own, so you can have a better smartphone experience and can set this up with a couple of clicks. And if you're ready, let's go! For the initial version, I focus on simplicity and ease of use. So for now, the card will only allow you to show the information in your sensors. But stay till the end, because I will show you a trick to be able to create new tasks and answer Teams messages from the Home Assistant dashboard. To install it, just go to Hacks. Here we are going to click on Front End. Since the card hasn't been accepted yet in the default list of repositories, we are going to add a custom repository. For this, just click on the three dots here and click on Custom Repositories. Here we are going to paste the URL. The link is going to be in the description, and in category, we are going to select Lovelace. Then click on Add. Once it appears, just click on it, and then click on Download, and Download. Click on Reload, and now just go back to the Home Assistant dashboard, click on the three dots here, and click on Edit Dashboard. Click on Add a card, and we are going to look for O365 card. Click on it, and here you have it. You can configure it directly from the Lovelace configuration editor. This is the email one. By default, it shows all the emails in the sensor. If you want to limit that, just click here and select the number. The counter in the header will show you the real number of emails that you have. And then click on Save. Now the next one, just click on Add a card and look for O365. Here we're going to select one of our task sensors. This is the list I created to manage the task for this video, and here, if you only want to show the overdue task, you can activate this here. And now just click Save. The last one, click on Add a card, look for O365, and here we are going to select our Teams chat sensor. And click Save. And that's it. As I said in the beginning, for now, they only show the information that is in your sensors, but I made sure that you at least have one link in every card so you can go to the web version of the service you need. If you want to change the name or the icon, you can click here in the icon of the card to show more information, and here you can change the name of the sensor and the icon. Then just click Update, and that's it. For the email, the item's color represents the importance. If it's normal, it's going to show blue, and if it's high, it will be red. For the task, we have more states. Here, the color represents the state and the due date. For example, if a task has a due date, but it's not overdue yet, it will be shown as yellow. If the task is already overdue, it will show red. If it doesn't have a due date and is not completed, it will be blue. And if it's completed, it will be green. And that's it. With only one card, you get to use 3 different sensors. And now I'm going to show you a trick to add more functionality to the task and chat card. For this, we are going to create a helper. Click on Settings, then Devices and Services, then click on Helpers. Here we are going to create a input text. Click on Text, let's give it a name, and then click on Create. And we do it again. Now for the chat card. Now go to Settings, and we are going to create an automation. For this, click on Automations, click on Create Automation, and Create New Automation. Here we are going to click Add a Trigger, and we are going to look for a state. We are going to select one of the texts that we just created, then click on Add Condition, and here we're going to select Template. Here just paste the code from my website, and just change the input text name. For this, just click on the 3 dots here, and click on Edit in YAML. Copy the name, and we are going to paste it here between states and state. And now for the action, click on Add an Action. We are going to look for Call Service, and here we are going to look for Office 365 New Task. Just click on it, and here we need to select the task sensor that we want to use. And for the subject, we are just going to paste this code from my web. Erase this, and change the name of the sensor. Now, what this is going to do, it's every time the text changes, it will verify that the text is larger than 0, and it will use it to create a new task in our list. Now, we are going to add 2 more actions. The first one is going to clean the text from the input text every time that we create a new task. For this, click on Add an Action, and look for Call Service. Here we are going to look for input text set value. Let's click on it, and here we are going to select the entity, and for the value we are going to put something here, then click on the three dots and click on edit in YAML, and just replace this with two simple quotes. Now click on add an action, call service, and here we're going to ask Home Assistant to reload the information from our list so we can visualize the new task created. For this, just look for Home Assistant update entity, click on it, and we're going to select the list that we want to update. And that's it. Now click on save and give it a name. And click on save. Before we go back to the dashboard, we need to fix something here. Just click on the three dots and click on edit in YAML. Here we just need to erase the double quotes and just leave the single quotes. And then just click on save. Now go back to your dashboard, and here we are going to create a new card. For this, just click on the three dots here, click on edit dashboard, and click on add a card. Now we are going to look for vertical stack, and the first card that we're going to add is an Office 365 card. Click on it, select the task sensor, then click on the plus symbol here, and we are going to add an entities card. Click on it, and here we just need one. Look for the input text that you're using, and click on save. And now to test this, just write some text and hit enter. And that's it, our new task has been created and added to our list. If you want to interact with it, just click on it, and we can interact with it in the to-do web. And that's it. Remember that everything that I just showed you is going to be available on my website. The link will be in the description. Now we are going to do the same but for the chat sensor. For this, just click on settings, click on automations, and here we're just going to duplicate this automation. For this, just click in the three dots here and click on duplicate. Here we need to modify the input text name, and for the action, just click here and just paste the code from our website. Here we just need to update the name of our chat sensor here and here, and in the message we are going to put the input text that we are using. Now we do the same for the rest. And just erase this. Why? Because our text is not going to be shown in the sensor, so there is no point in telling Home Assistant to update it. And now yes, that's it. And after that, click save. Let's give it a name, and click on save. Now let's go back to our dashboard. Here just click on the three dots and click on edit dashboard. Now we are going to duplicate the card that we created before. For this, just click on the three dots and click on duplicate. Here we need to select our chat sensor, and in the second card we need to select the correct input text. And just click on save. And now to test this, just add a text and hit enter. And if everything worked, just go to Teams, and you can see the message here. And that's it. The idea is to add more functionality to the card itself, but I want to do it right, so that means that I need to learn more. And in the meantime, I will be happy to receive any comment or feedback that you have on the card. So now I want to know from you, what features do you want this card to have? Leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!